Okay, build update 2019. It's got 1,000 miles on it. Getting ready to go to 508 International. Gonna do a little racing around a track maybe tomorrow. So we got the shock therapy shocks reinstalled. The blowhole, which is actually working really well. Definitely it sucks in a lot of air. The S&B particle filter, really loud, but supposedly it's actually really good, so we've got that installed. New steering wheel, that's just kind of for looks. Rugged radio. Shock therapy shocks in the front with the limiting straps. The new Zebros Racing A-arms. The STI 32s, the X-Comps, got 1,000 miles on them. I'm sorry, they don't. They got like 400. Sounds pretty good. We actually changed the pipe, so now it's a full Trinity exhaust. I still think Trinity looks the best out of all of them. Got the heavy duty Super ATV rear arms. We didn't go with high-rise arms because, my honest opinion, I hate the way they look. And this thing sits up 17 inches anyway, so it's pretty high off the ground to begin with, so I think we're good. We'll just shut this off. Power programmer. And you can still hear the blowhole. It stays on while the taillights are on. It's actually a really easy install. Sorry about that. It's smoking like a bastard because we had to put a bunch of bolt-free, some brake-free on the turbo header pipe there to get those bolts off. But there it is, all done up. Ready to go. Or it's on fire, one or the other. That's what we're getting a fire extinguisher for. It is a Polaris after all. And then the Can-Am Outlander 1K got a little love, get cleaned up. Gonna bring it out, maybe rip it around the track. So this has got a 2-inch lift, you know, aluminum skid plates. It's got the Blackwaters on them. Blackwater tires. That's got, I think the Blackwater's got 1,000 miles on them. This thing actually runs beautiful. It's really quick for what it is. It weighs a lot, but it goes good. And then we also gave this one a little love because it felt left out. We put the Trinity exhaust and programmer on this. And not gonna lie, this thing sounds better than the Polaris does. This one's just steam because I just washed it. It's not on fire like the other one. So that's it. We're gonna do a little racing tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some video of that. And cool. See you guys.